So yes, you saw me struggling trying to get this filter out of the DD15 engine, and the reason why is because this filter is not really the best. This is a fleetguard filter, and for some reason fleetguards are not working pretty well so far. I don't know in the future. In the past, I don't remember, but in the future, I don't know how it's gonna go. So if you're seeing this video way beyond this point, right now we are March 1st, 2021. So these filters are having problems, and they get like this. See how they get pushed in because the pressure is getting from the outside area of the filter. So there is nothing that retains the filter from the inside, so it is just getting like sucked in, and this causes a light in the dashboard saying then the fuel filter needs to be replaced, and a warning and everything, which is not very good. Here I have the part number. This is the part number, and I'm going to install this filter again. And the reason why I'm going to install it is because I couldn't find a replacement that is going to match better quality than this one. I usually go for the Wix brand, which is better than this one. It's kind of the similar of the OEM, or the lubrifiner for the moment uses the OEM filter, which is better. But fleetguard for some reason is having problems with this filter. If you wonder how many miles this filter has, it has around like 20,000 miles, I believe 20,000 miles. So DD15 engines, fuel filters, they supposed to last up to 50,000 miles. That will be the maximum amount of miles with no problems. But fleetguard filters, they get to have problems as little as 5,000 miles. I already saw that in a previous case, and they have the same problem with a low mileage oil change, and it's having issues with this. So this means then the filter itself is not made of a good quality, or simply there is not we can say it is not meant to resist the pressure of what it is supposed to do. So probably it is a good quality, but not for the right purpose, not for the right application. So that is what is happening. I don't know if they're going to fix this problem in the future, but up to right now, this is a big problem that is happening. I still gonna have the problem, sadly. If you wonder why, the same thing is because I don't have a replacement filter for it. So I'm gonna still use it. I feel so stupid by using this filter again, but I don't have I couldn't find the lubrifiner replacement or the Wix replacement, which is better. So the truck gotta go, so I have to do it, and hopefully it will not call a filter replacement at 5,000 miles. At least it's gonna last. This one at least lasted 20,000 miles, which is good. 25,000 miles for a fuel filter will be fine. So that will be the mark, the maximum amount of mileage for the filter. You can see how this one's getting in there. See, it's so bad. But anyway, it was just a little video that I wanted to share with you guys in case you are using this filter and you are getting to the trouble, then it's asking you for a fuel filter replacement, and the icon comes to the dashboard saying that you need to replace the filter. Yeah, it is the quality of the filter. This filter is not the best, so probably you will need to change it for a different brand, or go to the OEM straight up. So I hope you like this video, this little review. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, share it. Questions, go for franciscoamaya YouTube on Instagram, and comment below too, you can do it as well. So thank you for watching.